Alright, today we're going to do an unboxing on this Vaultek. This is their biometric safe, also with Bluetooth. Hopefully this goes a little better than the Bill Conch. I guess its competitor, the Bill Conch, if you watch that video, if you want to see an absolute disaster, but that's why I'm doing these videos, to show what we get when we buy these products. So let's do a quick unboxing today, see what you get with this Vaultek. And let's do this. So it says download the app here, should just be an easy QR code to that. And here's the little safe. Nice packaging all around. There's a manual down there. I guess there's your keys right there. So let's get very nice box, very well protected in there. And let's go ahead and see what you get with the safe. Very nice. I think this is the kind of the greenish gray color that I got for this little safe. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and take off this little. There we go. There you go. Very nice little safe. Feels very solid. Definitely feels a lot better than the Bill Conch safe that I just tested. Look at this. Pull says pull here. Okay, so let's go get the key real quick out of the bag. See what we get inside there. Cool. Comes with very nice keys here. See what we get in here. Okay. Let's see. How's this go? Huh. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. I had to spin around quite a bit. This thing kind of gets in the way, but we're all good. Alright, so it comes with a little extra box in here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, cool. This is a charger box there. Little USB cord there. Let's see. Got your little LiPo battery. So, very nice. Some mounting screws there. And let's see here. And a tether cord. So this thing has it all. Unlike the Bill Conch didn't have any, so yeah, this one actually has permanent mounting holes as well, and that's what these little screws are for, so that is an awesome little option there. This is like Bill Conch, but just 10,000 times better, so I don't think there's going to be much comparison to that. So from here, we're going to do a comprehensive test, see how well the biometric scanner works, test it with like a wet finger, then the powder challenge, see if that causes any problems with the scanner, see if there's any issues that I found, like I said, in the Bill Conch. Just check that video out if you want to see something that doesn't work well. But I'm pretty sure we're going to have a fantastic experience with this, so it just feels so much better and with on hand than that safe did. So far I think it's going to be a no comparison. So catch that video soon. We'll do all those tests. Until next time, we'll see you then.